Hey everybody, today I'm taking a look at this firewood rack with cover. So let me go ahead and show you how to assemble it, and you're going to have a nice space to be able to store all your firewood for the winter. It's going to help you dry your stuff out and also make sure that it doesn't get wet or dirty before you need to burn it. So in the package you're going to get this 600D nylon Oxford cover. This cover is nice too because it has a vent, so it's really going to allow your firewood to dry out. You're going to get your instruction manual, a bag of mounting hardware, and then all of the steel powder-coated pieces that you need to put the frame together. So what's nice is all of these are labeled. So the first thing you're going to do is take your C and your A and B and attach them. Now what's nice is you can't mess this up because the pin only is on one side. So you're going to have your A, B, and C all connected here. And when you're done, the little legs should be sticking outward from the middle here. And then we're going to just do the exact same thing with the other side here. So next you're going to take these screws that do not have the nuts on the end of them and your D piece, and we're going to attach them into the middle here like this. Once you have these started, you're going to be able to use the Allen wrench here that came with the hardware set. So now both of the sides are completed, and now we're going to take our piece E and attach it here. And to do that, we're going to need the bolts and washers. So these are going to be really easy to attach to each other. You have your bolt with the washer on it, and you're going to feed that through this side. And on this side, you're going to take your E piece and make sure that the little tab here is facing down. That's going to be the ground support. And you're going to push this in. And once this bolt is attached, you're going to use the included wrench to hold it and the Allen key on the other side to tighten it down. So now that we got everything assembled, the next step is to go ahead and start loading it full of firewood. So here's a little closer look at the cover itself. You can see it has this nice Velcro on the flap. I really like this as opposed to a zipper because it's going to be a lot easier to open, and you can open the entire front piece here. On the side you have little grips so you can lift this up and over when you're loading. And down here on the side there's a little pocket, and the pocket lets air in to help the firewood dry quicker. So another nice feature is that you're going to be able to use these buckles that are attached to the cover to attach it to the frame even better. You also have this little cinch tie here to make sure that the bottom of the cover is nice and snug against the rack.